All right, can you guys hear me? Let me know. We're just setting up here, guys. Has me do it every time. So, guys, we broke out here through this trend, came down, touched the trend line, and came back up. Yesterday, so this is overall good, right? I mean, we are finding some resistance here, but like we said yesterday, this was like a reversal W, a bullish confirmation. Let's just hope, DigiByte sticks to what it's doing, right? And so this is what we were seeing yesterday. It was just this. This is all that we were seeing right here. We started a channel, right? DigiByte got bought up on the big 3 blue on the fib. Remember yesterday we started doing this W kind of thing? We were getting rejected right here at a little over 6.25 cents. And then from there, we came through the trend line, broke it. All day, we just been going like this, touching it, coming down. And then, like, I don't know, here fairly recently, we just came back up there. Try to hit this trend line. See. About as best I could do. But you kind of get what I'm saying. So we're going this way. Now, what surprised me about this is, what this is telling me is it's ahead of DigiByte's ahead of Bitcoin. And what I mean is Bitcoin, when it fell, it only came up here once. DigiByte has a double bottom. And technically, Bitcoin could get rejected where it's at and make it a double bottom or a lower low, which would make these altcoins go down. But as long as Bitcoin stays where it is and trending upwards, we don't know if it's going to go down, but trending upwards, this is a good channel for DigiByte to break through. Just bounce back and forth, right? But the way it looks like, it could establish here and then finally get above this. So that's looking good. I'm going to look at the comments real quick before we look at the pitchfork, because the pitchfork is so important, because it's just been helping us, you know, knowing where DigiByte's going, right? So we're up here, so that's good, guys. What's up? DigiByte just nibble. What's up? Did I just have you up there? Oh, there you go. What's up, man? I love DigiByte. Agog, waves. Tan, jumping from a comic ninja. Yeah, so was I. Tan says hello. Oh, that's me. DigiByte or just nibble. I love DigiByte, and I cannot lie. Other altcoins I will not buy. When a girl walks in with a little bitty waist and the DigiByte is in your face, you get sprung. How you guys like the music? And the lights. I want my DigiByte. I want my DigiByte. Digi, baby, back bites. Okay, that's cool, man. Crypto Hound, what's up, Crypto Hound? Hello, all. Agog says, so I thunk the fuel DigiByte would be called a DigiBit. Okay. J-Dog, what's up, dude? DigiByte is a sleeping Megalodon. So I think the fuel for DigiByte should be called a DigiBit. Okay. Gotcha. DigiLove. We could have a little bit of divergence here. I'm not sure if it played out already, but it's not quite showing it here. We kind of had one back here. But we're good. The MACD's crossing up. Histogram's going back up. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask. Hey, Sarkis, yeah. Yep. Jim, hear you loud and clear. Can you guys hear the music very well? I mean, is this a good volume? Good volume setting? I got the mic on stereo, so hopefully it's like picking up the sound for music. JL, is there ecstasy involved in this? Well, you know, I can't tell you what to do, but not for me, no. Yeah, it dominates Bitcoin. I mean, it's ahead of Bitcoin right now. What's the soundtrack called? I put it together myself. It's several people. So, what is it? It's white. Well, let me look. I have Aries Beats. Aries Beats is pretty cool. It's one of the, retro electric dance synthwave dreams. It's free for use. White Bat. I use a lot of White Bat in here. Poison Beats. Poison Beats is coming up next. This is White Bat. White Bat usually does the really harder stuff, like Terminator style music, kind of like punkish. But he does these space synth waves. They're really cool. Chill waves. They're pretty cool. But Poison Beats is next. And all these guys, all these artists, they used to do like movies, like their, I don't know, their uncle or their brothers used to be doing 80 movies and 90s movies in the 90s and their late 2000s. So all these songs that you hear are in video games, are in movies, but it's free content. So I'm not going to get struck down by YouTube. But this is Poison Beats. And next is White Bat again. White Bat again. White Bat again. White Bat again. White Bat. And then I really like White Bat. And then Mega Hit. Mega Hit's the last song. So guys, if it goes down to the last song, then I'm probably going to call it. So yeah, this right here, if you guys can see it, the blue MACD is still going bullish. So we did good. We did good on this trend line, spotting it as we could. That means, guys, on this trend line, see if you guys can see it. All right, let me. That means when we got this double hit on this trend line, right? We spotted it good. That means you could have bought here on the second one or somewhere in here, right? And bought again right here. You can pretty much anticipate where it's going to go on the trend line. It's pretty cool. All right. Let's go to the pitchfork. I want to show you something. See what the pitchfork's telling us. We're right above the median line, guys. That's good. Now let's get some, like, you know, let's establish right here some support above this median line. And then, like I said, the goal is for it to stay above this median line. Like I said yesterday, guys, when I was doing the videos yesterday, I was all over the place. It was kind of hard for my brain to think, you know. Had a bunch of things wrong with the video, but as you can see, we're above this pitchfork median line, the big fat red. That's the center of it. We're above it. Okay, we were below it, found some support, got bought up, followed the trend line, came back down, bounced on the trend line, came up, and let's see if we can hold this. Let's see if we can hold that. At least somewhere right here. Like this. So we can go up like this. And then make another higher high. If we can beat this high, we're going back. If it comes down here, then we're going to test back down here. So we got to get right here. DigiByte's got to go. Like that or something like that, right? That's what we want to see. We don't want to see something like I mean, it's okay if we do, right? It's okay if we get rejected up here. Maybe meet this box down here and come back again. But if Bitcoin shows us which direction it's going, and if it goes south for Bitcoin, we could go like this, and then all of a sudden we don't make that higher high over here, and Bitcoin goes down. Could go like this, right here in the box, and then go right here, and right here, and then right here. That's where it'd be bought up. If Bitcoin took a dump. And then we'd have to go back up in here in this lower range and then break through this again. But right now we're looking good. See if it can stay above here. AG Silver OG Original G. So AG OG AGOG. Okay. Cool. I got DigiVision. J-Dog, man. What's up, bro? Hey, guys, I hope this TA helps. It's the best I can do, man. Yeah, it's perfect. Oh, the music? Yeah, it is. It's perfect. Yeah, it's coming soon, J-Dog. They're still working out the kinks. They got to restructure and code everything perfectly for DigiByte. I mean, all the test things are coming out right. When it doesn't, Josiah's messing with all the test runs. It's going to take a minute. I mean, but once it does, man, everybody's going to be mining DigiByte. Everybody. The RSI? Okay. Sure. We still have room for the upside, guys. Like I said, look at the trend line. We were in oversold, got greatly bought up. That matches with this. And what you had down here, some bullish divergence right there. So yeah, we're smack dab in the middle of this thing, from the 30 to 70, or from the 20 to the 80. So we got a ways to go. It's looking good. We just keep trucking upwards. Still got room to run, man. A lot of room, man. A lot of room. This ain't done. See how it's let's see here. Let me get. So we have that red candle there, right there. That's that tick down right there. But as you can see, we're making higher highs and higher lows on the relative strength and on the candles. Is that what you wanted to see? I'm going to remove this because all we need to know is that DigiByte stays above this big, thick red line. I hope this is helping. It all depends on what Bitcoin's going to do. But if Bitcoin moves up or sideways or up, or stays above its trend line, everything will look good for the short term. That gives DigiByte a chance to come up here, right? That's what we want. We want DigiByte to be up on this, up in here. This is where I want DigiByte to be, guys, right here. I want DigiByte back up here, up in these two channels, in the breakout area. If Bitcoin goes down, we'll get rejected and come back here again, much like this, right? And then come back again, because no one knows what Bitcoin's going to do. Either way, it's good for DigiByte if people just buy the dips. So we got our channels. This is where you go. This is where you buy. When you see DigiByte hits these channels or these trend lines in this channel, you know when to buy, like 25, 50, whatever. This isn't financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Everything I say is used or can be taken as a grain of salt. So that said, just be careful out there. T only gives us like an edge of the market, right? That's all it can give us. And it doesn't even mean it's going to play out this way. But so far it is. Dictated by Bitcoin. That's good. Thank you. Yeah, it could be on the Stranger Things. In fact, yeah. I think those are like copyrighted material, so I can't play that music. This music reminds me of going to Burns. BTC plus 370 year, plus 42% month DGB, plus 700% year, plus 130% month. Yeah, DigiByte's made bigger moves than Bitcoin this whole past year, and the year before that. Well, wait a minute. No, this whole past year and 2 months. Couple days, old numbers. Yeah. Nulja. DGB is mega down compared to BTC. Waiting to sell once it hits previous highs to buy back 10x. Well, let's just look at it this way. If you look at DigiByte USD and Bitcoin USD, forget the pairing. Look at what everybody's not telling you to look at, right? You could tell DigiByte's already broke out of its trend line. Bitcoin hasn't yet. So we don't know what Bitcoin's going to do. So that means most of these alts have broke out of their trend line after they've just been smashed by Bitcoin. But Bitcoin has not. Hold on, let me check. It's going to ruin this chart, but let me check. I think Bitcoin's just hanging around, man. I really like this chart. It takes me a while to get it set up. But anyway, guys, that's what you got, all right? If we can stay in this channel, stay above this medium line, and get a higher high than this, we're good. Trying to look for something here. Yeah. If we can stay above here, right? Something like this. And break above here, above this. We're looking really good. Really saucy. Really spicy. If DigiByte does that, guys, before Bitcoin can drop again, it's looking good. And this is our resistance. These two touches on this purple line, on this purple line on this channel. Let's see what DigiByte can do. Get above that one right here. That'd be nice. All right. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Now the chart's immature because it's not set up. It's kind of gray. Oh, what did it do? Okay, well, so Bitcoin did come out. Bitcoin broke out of its downtrend. And then it got rejected by this line right here. So if Bitcoin gets rejected right here and goes down, guys, like the whole market's going down. But if Bitcoin breaks through this, right, and then establishes on top of this trend line above it, that's bullish. Further continuation on the upside. But like I said, if it gets rejected here, then we're looking at more downside. Well, how low? How low? If it gets rejected here, the bottom of the 0.61, and goes down in here and falls through, what is that, the 0.38? Well, technically, guys, let's do it though. Yeah, I think, hold on. Okay, so it's getting rejected at the 0.618. This is the accumulation zone for Bitcoin. right here. But it's getting rejected. And it's making a lower low. See that? It made a higher low, a lower high, sorry. So we're looking at so Bitcoin's got to accumulate more to get through this. If it gets rejected, it's just going to go down a little bit more and just chill out. Hopefully it doesn't go way down here to this target. Right. Where'd it go? It just disappeared. It's got a ways to go, man. If it goes down, if it can't get past this accumulating zone, if it doesn't get past this resistance, it's getting retraced, which is normal. But if it busts through, that's good for DigiByte. So let's just say, hey, Bitcoin goes down and goes sideways and then goes down. Could take a minute and then goes down, right? Just like it did here. See? It fell, tried to get back up, went sideways, just right on the trend line. Could do the same thing here. Something similar, right? Could go like, right? Could do that. Before we get our break to the upside. Break this. That's a ways down, guys. I mean, if it breaks that trend line, if it goes down here, we're going back to 38, 37. Could you believe that? Do you believe that? It'll probably get, bought up at 43,000 if it ever gets down there. That low. This will probably be huge accumulation buys right here. A lot of buy orders probably back here. See? So, yeah. Anyway, so if Bitcoin goes down to the downside right here, then DigiByte could be on the bottom of that pitchfork that I drew out, which is, if it establishes support there, that's great. But Bitcoin goes up or sideways. Looks like DigiByte could go if people are buying those dips. What a messy chart that is. That says February 21st and it's the 24th. What does? I'm sorry. The chart says the 21st? Silver seems to be climbing, though. Trading is over. Agog says, yep, looks like the Asian market is rallying for silver. Interesting. Interesting. You guys have any questions for me? Any questions? You want to call me a name? Feel free. I can't wait to interview Yan again, AntimID. He's going to tell us all about DigiZipper and some other things. Guys, there's so much going on for AntimID. It's unreal. All right, it's picking up steam. It's like, you know, it's like a locomotive, right? It's picking up steam. It generates more power. Any questions? What's up, Sly's Gaming Revolution? The Gaming Revolution. GameStop. Do you think Digi hit $1 this year? Look, that's speculation, right? We don't know. I mean, I don't have the chart on me. Well, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I do. And it's a fractal, right? It's a fractal chart. I can show you that. All right. I gotta look at my pictures here real quick. All right. All right, so see if I can. That's it. That's all I'm going to be able to give you. So the top is Doge. I can't draw on it because I'm just sharing a picture. The top is Doge, and look where the wick on the top of Doge hit its target on the Fibonacci. It hit all the way up on the scale. And if you drew a line from the high to the lower high back years ago, right? You'll see it all lines up. That's a fractal. From the bottom left, right? Wait, where's my hand? The bottom left. And then it basically bounces back and forth like a zigzag pattern. That's a fractal. And you can line up that trend. Same thing here. Let me remove you for a second, your comment. Sorry. The bottom is DigiByte. Okay. Now the highest part of the wick on DigiByte, you can see on the bottom left corner. And if you draw that line to DigiByte's 15 cents, 14 cents, and draw all the way up to the top of the fractal, just like Doge. Keep in mind, DigiByte only has 21 billion ever to be created. It's 14 billion now, guys, in circulation. So Doge has a crap loads, right? Hundreds of billions. And if Doge can hit it, DigiByte can hit it. And we're higher on that. We're right there. See that arrow? It hits that green. Let me turn this down. See that where it gets rejected and it comes down a little bit, then goes straight up and it has it top of the arrow. That's where we are now, where we got rejected. Right underneath 14 cents. We got rejected. Now we're at what? Fighting 6 and 7 cents. So to answer your question, we could. A busy mountain is going to be easily understandable when everybody uses it in Microsoft. It's a plugin. If you use it as a plugin, anybody can use it if they have Azure, right? And look, it's super easy. Once you do it yourself, it is easier when someone holds your hand and shows you how to do it personally, right? Just like all this stuff that I'm doing, I didn't do this on my own. Someone literally had to hold my hand and show me how to do it, right? And I did my own research. But my own research only goes so far. I need people that know what they're doing to show me how to do it. Once you do it, what's up? What's the secret DigiByte did that Bitcoin didn't do? Oh, well, it broke out and established its trend. Bitcoin hasn't done that. Not yet. We're going to find out what Bitcoin's about to do. DigiByte did that first. And then when I checked it, Bitcoin just got out of that trend. So DigiByte's already done that. It's already tested the trend, the breakout. So it all depends on what Bitcoin's going to do from here on out. Slide Gaming, you follow? All right. You guys ever wonder why they keep DGB down? Tell us why, Busy Mountain. Willie Billy says $5 DigiByte. Now, Digi needs to sit next to Ethereum. It's easier than using a credit card. That's how easy it is, Ron says. Kevin says bought $100 a week of DGB for 1 year, averaging 0.022 each. Wow. All right, guys. DGB performs. Yeah. All right. That's it, guys. That's the end of my show. Script's gotten it out.